Columbiana County in east central Ohio, northern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, southern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, west central Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Columbiana, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include New Castle, Beaver Falls, Columbiana, East Palestine, Elmwood City, Zebulon, Latonia, New Waterford, Big Beaver, New Beaver, West Mayfield, Elport, Bessemer, Harmony, Coppell, Wampum, South New Castle, New Galilee, Enon Valley,
You failed.
and Darlington. This includes the following.
Why are you having a stroke?
Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 1 and 19. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 85 and 102. Interstate 376 in
That was a severe thunderstorm
between
warning.
mile markers 16 and 30. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Columbiana, Ohio, and Lawrence, Pennsylvania.
Real quick, is this doubleheader? No.
The forecast for the